Alright, so we're on day 6 of the Connect camper build. I managed to get out and buy some carpet this morning. A bit of a late start though because it was raining. It's good old England, but that's all trimmed in there. That's what it looks like with the old door shut. It's very dark in here. I better sign a bit more light. There we go. There we go. So that is all the trim inside done. Next job for today, cut wood for down here. Ouch, my head. Wood for down there around the other side and at the front. Try and get that done. And that will probably be about it for today. I'm still waiting for parts to arrive from Amazon. But we're getting there. And once my parts arrive from Amazon, I can put the inverter in. Got some 12-volt accessory sockets to go in. Just some various bits and pieces, and then we can start doing some proper wiring. Oh, and the LED lights that will be going across the ceiling, which should look pretty cool, and in here. Alright, let's get cracking. Alright, so we've boxed off these two sides. We're out of wood, so we still need to do a door here. And that bit there. And we also need to box off the front section. So we've got wood for that bit, but I haven't got enough to do that little tiny bit, which is really fucking annoying. I'm going to put some this over the corner, so that'll go down there. Screw that in so it finishes off that edge. Get some slightly thinner stuff, methinks, just to cover up the wood down there and maybe down the sides here as well. Yeah, it's coming along today. I'm off to Wix. Alright, so we've boxed off all the way around, including here. We haven't boxed off where the subwoofer is. We're going to mount that separately and just box off that little tiny corner. You can see that little gap there, just to finish it off. And the last job we need to do is build a little door for here, and our storage can be accessed like that or through the door. And then we've got the second part of the bed to go over. As I said, I'm going to finish these off properly with some nice doobry jizzles, and then we can try and get the crap out of the carpet. As you can see, there's a slight amount of sawdust in it, and I still need to finish something to build here as well, which will be the fun part. Anyway, back doors all done, the side doors are all done, and yeah, maybe tomorrow we can start on the electrics, because I've been saying that for 6 days. Alright, so last little thing I've done is add these little catches so that can come off when the bed's up, so now that doesn't move at all. One down that end, I'm not going to bother putting one in the middle. So anything ready to do. I've got to recarpet this or re-glue this because I had to peel it off to move some screws. And let's just do something with this wheel arch and that door stop, which is randomly placed there. This is the back of the van now. You can see loads of space on the bed. If I close that door, oh, there's an ST200. It's a bit sexy, isn't it? Anyway, yeah, sorry, got confused. Yeah, so all the back of the van, plenty of room for sleeping. I'm thinking about putting a screen up here, like a fold down screen. Might be useful for when I get 5G interwebs. I'll build maybe some fold up shelves down there or something like that as well. Yeah.